Hello everybody, at least CNC are coming again. So this time, what have you prepared for everyone, reporting to everyone? I think it is for our CNC milling machine. A lot of clients or friends will ask, okay, I worry about a lot of things because under the epidemic I cannot come to China. So how you can know us? Maybe today I give you, for the CNC milling machine, I give you some idea. The first of your worry, I think maybe you will say, okay, at least CNC is a manufacturer or is a trading company. I'm a manufacturer. Let me show you. This is a factory wheel. I make a PPT. It will be more clear for you to see what we have. Of course, you see the factory have the machines all in stock. This is all VMC center. One of the CNC milling machine, one kind of the CNC milling machine. Okay, you can see the machine. We also have some manufacturing machine. This is a machine center. Also here is the machine's body. We call it 5 main parts of the machine, like the frame, the table, the working base, all the parts. This one also have the ATC center. This is some parts of the, like our oven or our bolt screws, all the spare parts in stock. Also in this picture you can see. Here is other spare parts, like you see for all the base of the machine. Here is have some frame of the machine. Here is some bolt screw, like a linear guider, all the moving parts. We have a lot in stock. Here also, you can see like we also using PMI, Heaven or PMI. Both is we are buying from the brand retailer. We are not getting some fake material. It's a real material. We have all the contract number, all the things. When you buy the machine, you can track for the quality and for the reality of the parts. Also, beside the factory, you have also some product shows. Here we have. This is the whole VMC. Okay, VMC all is the same. Difference is for the parts, which is the difference, and for the performance of the machine. Here is some of our manufacturing machine, Gangju milling machine, doing the bodies, you see, for the columns of the VMC center for the parts. Here also, you can see here is the column moving part for the VMC center. Here is before we assembling, after forging, doing all the milling and the grinding process. I think some company, they maybe do the milling. From the surface you will see it's maybe same, but they didn't do the milling. Just I have show you the machine. Here you have see the machine. Okay, they are doing the milling and do the grinding. Without it, it's different. So you know, for every manufacturer who have machines, who knows, 1 time milling, 2 time milling, or with grinding, different time, different costs for the machine will coming out. So we continue. Okay, you see we have a lot of the parts is in stock, and also for the every work table. We also have showing here for how much linear guider, all the work table details, you can see it. Here for the spindles, for the ATC. Okay, if you are clients, you are expert for the CNC VMC center, you know all the parts difference. The CNC control system, we have brand named like a funnel you can choose. Siemens you can choose, or Mitsubishi you can choose, or you can choose from some China brand like Syntec, like GSK from Guangzhou, like KND from Shanghai. Any brand you choose, this is optional choice. This is after the working for how is the performance. You can see it's a wonderful, very beautiful performance because the chips can tell you how accuracy and how fasting, how precision the machine can do it. This is some of the past pictures. Maybe I show you some more video of the machines, so let you know. Okay, first one, you know we are manufacturer. We have the quality control. We have the machine. We have the factory. We have the machine process all the details. The second part maybe I show you is for some of the machine is working like 5 VMC 850 or 855 or 1160. How is the working speed? Like some can be 8,000, some can be 6,000. I show you one, it's 8,000. I show you the video. Okay, let my assistant help me. Wait a moment. Okay, Bella. Yeah, this one is for the VMC. Can working under the, because this is like you see. Okay, it's in fitting, it's doing. Okay, the speed is here. You see 3,000, 4,000, 6,000. Okay, it's increasing. Totally it can be for this one. We have trial. When we are doing the production, we do the testing for the customer before shipping. Can do around 8,000. You can see when it's working. It's doing the milling. Yes, doing the square milling. Okay, Bella, maybe you show the output. Okay, how it looks. Yeah, here is we call it like a mirror appearance. You see, wow, it's very beautiful. You see the surface, it's like a mirror. Okay, we are not doing milling, we are doing a mirror. Yeah, from this view it's much more clear. If you're interested in the video, you can go to our YouTube. You can also go to Facebook. We have all these videos online. You can check by yourself. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the rotation speed of the spindle. Next one, maybe I show you for doing the 4 axis, or sometimes you see VMC is a 3 axis. Okay, you can do 4 axis, 5 axis. How it will be like? I show you it's 4 axis. Thank you, Bella. Okay, this one is this is for customer from Europe. He choose this machine. They are doing the agricultural machinery business. Okay, this all kinds of material they are doing for this is using the TGR. This is using the TGR 4-axis system. You can see the performance. The speed I think is around, when do the testing is around 3,000 to 5,000 for the rotation speed. Because this material we are choosing is not carbon steel, it's a stainless steel. So the speed we didn't let them growing very fast. But you still can say, wow, the mirror appearance is coming again. The roughness of the surface is wonderful. Okay, this is for 4 axis. So after I show you, maybe I show you one machine is okay, how our VMC center is like. Maybe I show you. 国内全国126内。Yeah, this one. I show you. This one is the same customer from Europe. Because for 1160, some customer will have question, how I do shipping for 640, 650, 850, 855. All can shipping by container. It means 40 HQ you can put into the container. No need other special container. But For 1160, very special because the size a little bit bigger, cannot shipping by the standard container. You should choose the special container. Some customer will say, oh no, some person said I can disassemble the machine. Yeah, you can disassemble it, but under the epidemic, how you can assemble it again? This is the problem. So I show you here. You can from beginning, maybe Bella, I show them. Yes, it's coming. Oh, you see, this is the machine is like. Okay, you can see all the system. You means all the machines inside. You can see a lot of parts is fixed on the on the cabinets, on the box, on the outside steel, right? So if you try to put them all, like ATC is here, like a slider is here, okay, it's all connected. So if you want to disassemble it, oh, we can do it because our engineers knows we have the drawing, we have the engineer, they have more than 20 years of assembling experience, but how you can try to assemble it again. From here you can see all the pneumatic, all the gas, all the air is, all the waves is inside in the outside the steel box, right? So you can see here again. Oh yeah, so sorry, but it designed like this. They didn't see this year we have the epidemic, so you can see. Oh, okay, all the air, all the body of the machine, the column, all is connected, right? Okay, here you, again a lot of waves is coming down from here. Yes, you can see. Also under you have the chip conveyor, you have the cooling box is under it. Okay, you have the AC panels. Wow, you have a lot of things. So how you can disassemble it? I can disassemble it, but are you sure the end user or your engineer can assemble it again? I think it will be a very big problem. So for the first, we are manufacturer, you know it clearly. Second one, you know, oh, okay, how is your VMC machine like? Next time, maybe I show you for our machine, how our VMC machine will be like. That will be more easy to understand. Okay, what is the difference for the Alice CNC, their VMC center, compared with other company? I'll show you. 关那个 PPT 吧。Okay, from beginning. Okay, for the Alice CNC, right? Alice CNC vertical machine center. Okay, next. I can do it myself. Sorry. For this one is industry to be using. Okay, what kind of industry will be using our production detail, the ATC, delivery method, all the things is you can search. Let me introduce one by one. Okay, what industry will use? I think you will be you're expert. Maybe you are more clear than me, but maybe some clients don't know that. So let me explain. For the automobile manufacturer, okay, related to the trucks, to the cars, for automobile industry, many of the parts will be used. Like my city in Jinan, we have Sino truck in China. So all related industry nearby Jinan or Shandong province is very famous to doing this. Like some of my relatives, they have 7 or 8 machines. They can have a factory by them own. They can manufacture all the parts they provide to the Sino truck as their supplier. Okay, next one. Also like the same, actually also automobile, like the rings of the for your cars, you will use it also. Okay, a lot. Also automobile, mold industry, any mold you want to do, plastic mold, like you want a cup, like you want to do a beef, anything you want to do related to mold for the 3-axis CNC machine, VMC center can do it for you. Okay, you can see the mold, even for shoes, you can do it. For all the plastic materials, you can do it. Bottles, you can do it. Anything. This is hardware industry, like some related connecting parts. You can also do it by the VMC center. This is some typical things. Okay, next is the machine's parameters. For this one, I think you also know it. Some standard like 850, like many kinds like 640, 850, 1160, or 1270, or 1470, or 1580. This is some standard type. Maybe you will use it. Okay, ball screw, CNC system, it can do milling, taping, drilling, all the processing. Okay, some workpiece shows. ATC center, okay, for the force axis, how it will be like, I just show you in the video. Okay, this is like the TGR for the force axis, how it will be like. And this is kind of, we call it not chalk type. You have chalk type, you have the other type like this one. Okay, also we have 5-axis one. It means you need to choose the 5-axis as optional. This one you can find in TGR in their website. They have more and more options you can choose by yourself. Depend on your workpiece size and weight. About our delivery time. Delivery is I just introduced you. Only about for 11060. For the big size over 8, normally you should choose a special container. We call it a frame container. For below 8, for 85, 655, 85, 855. For all these size, you can choose a standard container like a 40 HQ or 40 GP. This is in the video I have shown you. This one is more clear. Like some customer, we are shipping the 1160 with the frame container, didn't disassemble it. We still need, like for the pipe, for the oil, you should connect for the gas, and even for some gas pot. Yes, for the cheap convenience and for the water cooling system box, and also for the slider frame, you should do connection by yourself. This already not easy. If you want to disassemble it, same thing, how you can assemble it by yourself. Okay, thank you. Okay, this time I give you 3 things. First one, their manufacturer. Second one, okay, how is the VMC working, shipping details. Third, I give you an introduction like, okay, how is the at least CNC VMC center. Normally it should, how many features. I think now you will have a brief introduction or a brief idea in your mind. How is the VM center like? How is at least CNC VM center like? I hope you can have more questions. If you have, you can ask me now. I can introduce you again. Or you don't have, you can find us. You can leave a message or send me a WhatsApp by the to the YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or any of the way you can find us. Thank you. Thank you for your time.